Hey everyone, Thomas here. Just wanted to record a quick tutorial or two or three or whatever for Uperform. Some people have been asking me. So I wanted to make bite-sized videos to help everyone out and to get started. I wanted to show how to install the software, both for your laptop and then maybe for a personal device as well. So to begin, you got to get logged in, make sure you're on Global Connect and all that. And then you want to go to Software Center. And then Uperform client, and then install. Once that's installed, you're going to get the Uperform icon on your desktop. It's going to connect to the server. Now, I'm already connected to the server because I've practiced this video a couple of times. But the way this will look is it's a button to say single sign-on or another option. Single sign-on should work. Once you are authenticated, go back and you will see the client. So to kind of help you understand what the client is and what the document library is and or whatever, the client is what you see in front of you. It is the app that you download to your device. It is the app that you use to get captures. Once you are done getting a capture and you want to check it into the server so everybody can see it, that goes to the document library. It's the repository. Just think of this as, the tool, and then the library is, I don't know, the toolbox. I don't know. So you would click new, get your captures, click check in, and that would take you to the document library where everything is stored. Now that's how you install it for your CSI or your UPMC laptop. If you want to do it on your personal device, you're going to need to go to the same site that it takes you to authenticate, which is, this one. I'm going to upmc.my.uperform.com. I don't know if you're going to need more than that, but I'll drop that link in the description of this video. Now, this is the library from the end user's perspective, their point of view. It's, we can access it and go through and look around at the different things there, but it's not necessarily the best view to edit stuff. That's when you go to the management center, where you then see it from an author's point of view. If you go to the top right, click your name and do the drop down, you don't have management center. Well, then you don't have author access and you need to request it. Once you're here, this is, I don't know where it took me. Yeah. So projects, this is where you see the epic or the tutorials that Uperform has provided for us. I would actually rather suggest you go into the Uperform YouTube channel, and I'll link that in here as well in case you want to watch them and not me. But I wanted to show you how to download um, the client to your personal device. You can do it a couple of ways. You could go to support from here, or you could go to the drop down. Actually, I think you can jump straight there. Yeah. From if you're in the content library, you can go to support, I believe. Nope, that's something different. Forget I said that. But once you're in the management center, you can go to support and go to download authorizing client installer. And that is the install. See, it's doing it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. That's how I got it on my personal device, although it's still kind of broken. It won't capture, it won't finalize capture. It like gives me an error. And then the thing that is broke on here on the CSI laptop is it will not capture clicks within Epic. So the next video I want to do for you is getting a capture. But I won't be able to do it in Epic. I'll do it in like Google or something.